Okay, the next thing we're going to look at then is one of those classic questions where we've got to find where we can plant a tree in our garden. So here we've got a scale where 1 centimetre equals 2 metres. The tree is going to be planted and the tree must be more than 4 metres away from my patio and at least 6 metres away from my pond down here. Okay, shade the region where the tree can be planted. So here I've got a drawing, okay, of the same question. The tree must be more than 4 metres from the patio. Remember, my scale then is 1 centimetre equals 2 metres. So if my patio is 4 metres, I'm going to divide that by 2. So therefore, my first piece of work is going to be 2 centimetres. So from the patio out is 2 centimetres, and I'm going to draw a line straight down, and the tree cannot go in this bit here. So there's 2 centimetres on my ruler. So straight line down, 2 centimetres. So my tree cannot go in this bit here. I can now get rid of the ruler. Don't need that again. The next thing I'm going to do then is I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to open him up to 3 centimetres because I know then that the tree must be 6 metres from the pond. So 6 metres divided by 2 metres equals 3 centimetres on this particular drawing. So when I've got a point like this, I'm going to draw a straight line. When I'm going from a known point here, I'm going to be drawing an arc. So I take my compass, I'm going to open it up 3 centimetres. So I can get my ruler again. Open it up to 3 centimetres. Get rid of my ruler. And now I'm going to use my compass here to draw an arc. So everything from here to the outside of there is 6 metres away from that tree. So the area that from my pond, so the area that I can plant my tree in is this bit here. And the last bit it asked me to do was to shade the area that I can put my tree. So my tree can go into this part here.